We are imminently going to be publishing an update to the UN response plan, and we'll be looking, in order to support the government of Bangladesh and Bangladesh's own institutions, to raise from the international community something like $430 million to enable us to scale up the relief operation. The conditions in the camps at the moment are terrible. We need to do a lot more to scale up beyond what we've done so far. I have today announced an allocation of $12 million from the Central Emergency Response Fund to pump prime the scale up, but we need to ask our generous donors and our friends in the international community to scale up as well. And
so how can you solve it?
What we want to do is to make sure that the tragedy of the Rohingya is not magnified and amplified by a human catastrophe, a health catastrophe, and we will only ensure that that doesn't happen if we're successful in seeking support from the international community.
Thank you very much, Mark. And let me begin by thanking the government. The pictures that we are seeing here are horrifying. They reflect children seeing things that no child should ever see, much less endure. And let me share with you two of them. We can give them to you later. One is a picture by a girl that I met with yesterday who drew pictures of helicopters arriving and firing into homes. Other pictures she did show of them, the homes being burned. And here I asked her who were these figures. At the top, it was her aunt and her niece, both of whom were killed.
There are more people still crossing the border and still trying to cross the border. And that tells us that this crisis is not over. The underlying reasons why people are fleeing from Myanmar are still happening.
Good. Well done.
Sir, and the stories are so powerful.
Yeah.